Cancer. This is your channel messages for the 8th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, we're going into your Is Your Ex Coming Back reading, Cancer. Now, I know that you are the most sentimental sign of the zodiac. Okay, you are very clingy, but not only that. Obviously, if you're with somebody, Cancer, especially when you give your bodies to them, you can find a very hard time when it comes down to separating from that person, even if they're a piece of shit. So we're going to see, is your ex coming back? Even though, Cancer, you usually give your exes a lot of chances, so I don't know why you're taking them back. Nevertheless, we're going to see, okay? Let's see how your ex feel about you. How do they feel about you? Cancer, let's go. How does your ex feel about you? We got the 7 of Swords. So I'm getting your ex is hiding them feelings. They don't want to face their feelings. So if you broke up with somebody a month ago, a week ago, I told that whole no. Okay, if you broke up a week ago, a month ago, I'm getting somebody still in denial. The Nile is a river in Egypt. That girl on you, okay? I'm getting, yeah, turn a blind eye to this. I'm getting you don't want to face the breakup. So you're drinking, you're getting intoxicated. I'm getting to this day, you still can't believe you lost somebody. So I'm getting you taking the breakup pretty hard. Cancer, you're taking the breakup pretty hard, Cancer. Does your ex want to get back together with you? The 5 of Swords, no, they don't. They want to argue with you. Somebody want to argue why you break up with them, why you break them heart, why you put them in this situation. You're the reason why I can't go to work. You're the reason why I'm like this now, because you broke up with me. Maybe because somebody like to fight a lot, or they like to pick you apart. Everything what you do is a problem. How you cook, how you clean, how you put your hair together. Maybe when you were living with somebody, they was always drunk. And every minute them pick you up. Every single thing you do wrong, not wrong. Me getting everything you did, you were being picked apart. So I'm getting somebody want to get back together with you, but that don't mean them not gonna guilt trip you into why you leave them in the first place. What's the greatest obstacle about reuniting? The Justice card. Libra. I don't know if you're married to this person. Because if you're your greatest obstacle to reunite on the Libra card, so is it that you want to save your marriage? This could be something as serious as a marriage, maybe. But I don't know, I want to say that somebody going to get intoxicated and then attack you because you leave them. I don't know if you're going to get money out of this. Yeah, you might get money, but you might get hurt too. Or me getting, yes, somebody might have turned a blind eye to why you really left. And me getting, it was actually very serious. The court got ordered them to pay your money. I don't know, maybe somebody thought something wouldn't be taken so seriously. Me getting, you gone to court now. So me getting you and your ex in a court about something, maybe a fight will happen. What's the likeliest outcome of you two coming back together? The Ace of, just sex. Okay, so that's it. This don't look not this. So him will cuss you as to why you left him masturbating, basically. Me getting you and him already in a court to deal with a legal battle. I don't know if him did put him hand on you or him use a weapon on you. Okay. Or maybe you're separated, you're not divorced. Me getting maybe the good thing that can come from this is bringing it to court, get a legal divorce so that you can rid yourself from this person. Yes, them can stalk you, them can do other things on social media, but as long as you get a divorce, you're divorced. You're divorced, you can remarry anytime. You can remarry again, you're divorced. Even if they must talk about your blood clot, it don't matter. You can remarry. Maybe that's what somebody a fight you if you don't get a divorce. Because if they divorce you, if them hold on and don't give you a divorce, you cannot remarry. You're getting this is the good thing that's going to come out of this. So maybe somebody was so irate and put them hand on you. I'm getting it go to court. And the good thing that came from this is now you get a legal, something gonna be legally binding now. Because I'm getting, at the end of the day, it's just sex somebody wanted. And they won't argue with you. But I'm getting somebody won't argue because it's your fault. You left me. How could you leave me in my time of need? How could you do this to me? It's always about them. So nothing changed apparently. We have bears. We have jealous. We have cheating. We have come visit me, and we have third eye. I'm gonna leave it here. Cancer, until next time. Bye.